In this video, we are discussing the problem occur while opening the RSLogix 500. The message appear on the screen shows that fatal error. The copy protection license for the application could not be acquired. Error 2. To resolve this, follow simple step. Press OK. Then open this PC. In this, go for local disk C. After that, open up program data. In this, search for Rockwell automation. Open it. Open factory talk activation. In this, .rnl file is present. Select all .rnl file and press delete. Now close this folder. Now open the RSLogix 500. As you can see, the software has been successfully opened and the problem has been solved.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about PLC programming, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.